The Bray Series 98 Scotch Yoke Actuator has more than 1,000 configurations, offering customers the ability to automate a wide variety of valves to meet their application needs. It's available in single-acting or double-acting configurations controlled with pneumatic, hydraulic, or electro-hydraulic power. Featuring a modular, fully configurable design, the Series 98 is available in multiple options with quick delivery to meet your local needs for any application. This modularity also ensures maintenance is quick, safe, and easy. There are 2 available ISO 5211 drilled mounting bolt patterns per model size, providing expanded adaptability. 4 keyways to ensure the actuator can be installed in multiple orientations to meet a variety of installation parameters. The Series 98 is also designed with replaceable self-lubricating metal-backed PTFE bearings for extended cycle life. Available with a symmetrical or canted yoke, the Series 98 features an integral guide bar to prevent internal side loads while increasing efficiency and cycle life. Long-term sealing reliability is ensured with PTFE wear bands, O-rings, quad ring, and U-cup seals. The honed and hardened chrome-plated cylinder incorporates a low-friction design and provides superior corrosion resistance. The Series 98 spring modules are fully enclosed and welded, designed with safety in mind. Springs are tectile coated, and spring rods are hard chrome-plated for corrosion protection. An internal spring guide with polymer wear pads ensure there is no metal-to-metal contact of the spring enclosure and spring to maximize product life cycle. Providing maximum reliability for fast-acting ESD applications, Bray offers a hydraulic damper to allow cushioned opening and closing in fast-acting blowdown and shutdown applications, preventing damage to the valve seat, seal, travel end stop, and other drivetrain components.